Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change location on YouTube TV. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC, then go to the search bar, type in YouTube TV, then log into tv.youtube.com. Now it will take you to this page where you can click on sign in and log into your account. After logging into your account, you will see the YouTube TV's dashboard. Here, if you want to change your location, click on the profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Now, when you click on this profile icon, you will see settings, language, send feedback, and location at the bottom. Simply click on the location icon and it will show up this page. Here, you can see your current playback location. That will be your latest location. Now on this page, you'll have to simply choose update. Then it will take you to this page where you'll have to simply click on this update location button. Now, if this will not be your current area, you can allow YouTube to access to your browser's location so they can send you the right networks. So you'll have to basically click on the blue update home area button to enter your new zip code. And after entering your zip code, your location will be changed. Also, I'm not going to make any changes to my account since I haven't moved. But you'll have to note that you can only change the home area twice a year. So I don't recommend randomly changing this if you don't need to. But after you do this, YouTube TV access will continue like normal. And one more thing that you need to know is if you have shared users is still living in your old home area, they will lose access within 3 months because of location restrictions. So you'll have to simply click on the update location, enter a new zip code, or allow YouTube TV to access to your browser's location, and you would have successfully changed your location on YouTube TV. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.